So in this class, I'm trying to explain what is the Next.js, why Next.js. Next.js is the full stack React framework. Simply, what is the Next.js? Next.js is the full stack React framework. Here you want to get one dot. What is the full stack React framework? Generally, React framework is only for frontend. Then what is meaning of the full stack? Generally, React framework used for that to create the user interfaces in the framework. But if we use the Next.js, we can build the full stack application. That means front end and back end also in Next.js. So using Next.js, we can build front end React application and back end features also. So what are the back end features provided with Next.js? So using Next.js, we can create one React front end application along with some back end features like SSR, like server side rendering and static size generation. So what is the server side rendering? What is the static size generation? I will explain later. So mainly the backend features are APIs, database access, routing, authentication. So these main features are also provided by the Next.js. So database like MongoDB or Prisma database you can access. And also for routing system and backend API calls using the Express.js, and we can write the using the Next.js. So, and also using Next.js, we have some simplicity deployment process. So we don't bother about the more on the deployment process. So in the Next.js, it provides the front end like React application user interface and backend database access, authentication, API calls, and also deployment. So all this comes under the Next.js. That's why Next.js is very famous now. So using Next.js is called the Next.js is a full stack React web application end to end. That means front end and back end. Okay. Now how to install the next application and how do we run the Next.js application? I will explain this class. So before that, to run the Next.js, we must have some basic knowledge like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. You must have this knowledge. So so if we have these front-end technologies and some back-end technology, we can learn here. So if you want to learn the Next.js, you must have the pre-knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Now, to install the Next.js application, what are the system requirements here? So you must have the Node.js software. So if you want to go to the Node.js software, just go to nodejs.org download. You can download the latest version. So it, it must be version from the version 8.1. That means after Node.js software, so the Node.js software must be from the 18.8 version or latest version. Okay, you can use from the 18.10, not below. Node.js version software is not suitable for the Next.js application. So Next.js to install the next application, you must have the Node.js software and also operating system Windows or Mac. Okay, you want to install you have the Windows or Mac, must have the system requirements. So this is basic. This is the knowledge is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in the computer you must have Node.js software or Windows or Mac. Now, how to install the Node.js? So Next.js. To install Next.js application, this is the command: next npx create next step at the rate latest, and this is the app name. App name, whatever project. If you want to create a Next.js, give you some name. That's called, you can mention here. I will show you the example how to install the Next.js application. Now, for example, I'm creating desktop. Here, just I'm creating one folder like something learning. Okay. So here, for example, here I want to create the one folder for the Next.js. I want to install the Next.js. So you simply use the CMD here. So what you will do is go to the CMN, that means command prompt. Okay. So you open the command prompt and run the command. So first go to this location. To go to the location, copy this location. So wherever you want to install the Next.js, go to that part. Now, so what is the command to install the Next.js application? Npx create next step at the rate latest. So npx create next app at the rate latest and the what is the your application you want to give. Let's say I want to give the application like anything. For example, I want to create the one dental website. Okay, so like the dental website. Okay, so the app name. So here npx create react at the rate latest. After that, we need to give the project name or app name. I want to give the app name like dentist. Okay, dentist website. Okay, so here the dentist website is the my project name. So to create the project uh, using the Next.js, the what is the command npx create next app at the rate latest and the app name. Just press enter. So what happen? It will load all the required libraries using the npx. It create all the required libraries. So you ask some questions while installation. So you want to create the latest Next.js application? Yes, I want. Just press the S. Okay. Next. Now you start the installing. So you want TypeScript. You want also in your project. You want TypeScript also. I want S on as your choice. Let's say I want yes. Okay. You want ESLint. ESLint means coding standards. Coding syntax is correct or not. If you want to check, we use the ESLint library. So you want that library else? Yes, I want. So for that one, I just tap and enter. You want CSS? Yes, I want CSS. Three-line CSS. CSS separate format. CSS framework? Yes, I want. You want coding, you want to install our code in the SRS, I mean main code in the SRS, yes, I want. So press S. You want routing comments, you want to using the routing also, yes, I want the routing also. So turbo pack, what you will use turbo pack? I will check turbo pack later, so I use no. So you want to import the alias imports, so as mentioned no. So I'm install all the required no, all the required libraries. TypeScript, Node, React, them all are installing. Okay, remaining are the so all the required dependencies, div dependencies are installing. So in this way, we're installing the Next.js application. This is the way how to install the Next.js application. Okay, so after running the command, all the required all the required libraries, all the required dependencies are installing. See, so we need to wait some time to install the request. So to install the Next.js application, this is the command. What is next? npx create next step at the latest step. Then it will ask some questions like this one. Yes, you want ESLint, universal app routing, you want TypeScript. Yes, I want. What you want, you choose the yes and press the enter. So all the required dependencies, all the required libraries is installing. We need to wait something. Okay. So after that, all the required libraries are installed and it create a separate folder with the name. What we create the name dental website. With this name, the folder will create it. In this folder, all the required libraries are installed. Let's wait something. So if you see already in the part, already this web the folder is created. In this folder, all the required libraries, all the required modules are installing in the node on modules folder. So we need to wait until to complete the library. So we need to wait till the all the modules are laid. Let's wait. So see all the requests nearly 389 packets are installed. Now the np completely the npx sorry next.js application is installed. Okay, now I want to run this next.js application. To run the next.js application, what is the command? The command is the npm run them. You need to go to website. Where are we in the learning folder? We need to go project folder. What is our project folder? Dentist. Okay, here now you install next.js now you want to run the application. That is npm run them. So see, otherwise you can use the next dev also. So if you use the npm run dev, then application will run using the localhost 3000. If you open the next localhost 3000 in browser, sorry, localhost 3000. So HTTP logos, first what you see here, while running first is compile all the required things, then it's start the application. This is the demo side, the basic Next.js application. So localhost 3000, this is the basic Next.js application. In this way we install the Next.js application. To install Next.js application, what is the command? npx create react app at the right latest and the project name. To run the command, npm run them. So in the next classes, I will explain the what is the project structures, folder structure, and how to create the sample components, and how to create the sample APIs. Step by step, I will explain. So subscribe the channel. Thank you.